professional watercolor workshop in Hyderabad, 25th of May 2025, Sunday. First time I am going to organize a wonderful workshop totally based on watercolor. If you want to learn transparent watercolor, how to make soft and smooth traditional watercolor, please join. I will do more than 5 or 6 demonstration on the particular day. If you love watercolor and if you are based in Hyderabad, this is a golden opportunity for you guys. If you really want to learn watercolor in detail, I promise you I will give my 100%. It will going to be a successful event in Hyderabad also. Thank you, Hyderabad, for your great support. Each and everyone, all my dear followers in Facebook, in Instagram, thank you so much for your support. See you on the date of 25th May 2025, Sunday. Bye bye.